good morning guys. How are you today? I hope you are still healthy and stay at home. Today is our second day or second week to learn from house. And I think we have to talk about our last chapter is chapter 6, Too Hot to Cold. Why? Because I already take all your exam papers and it was a little bit disappointed. Most of you were still confusing to use the using of to and enough in sentences. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's start. Too hot and too cold. You can see it from your chapter 6, from your peminatan textbook. And in this chapter, kita melihat penggunaan to dan penggunaan enough. Seperti yang sudah kita bicarakan minggu lalu, enough itu dalam artian istilahnya sufficiently, menyatakan sesuatu yang cukup. Artinya dia positif, sedangkan to berarti excessively, menyatakan terlalu, artinya dia negatif. Now, jadi untuk contoh di dalam kalimat kita menggunakan pattern-nya. Pattern untuk to, subject plus verb plus masuk dulu dia adjective, masuk dulu dia to, kemudian baru adjektif. Sedangkan untuk enough, dia subject plus verb plus masuk dulu dia adjektif, baru dia masuk enough. You only change the using of the position of adjective into an adjective in enough. It means that pakai dulu to baru adjektif untuk penggunaan to. Sedangkan untuk enough pakai dulu adjektif baru dia masuk enough. For example, kita menggunakan to dulu. She is too smart. Nah, perhatikan subject, verb, to, adjektif. Kemudian untuk enough, she is smart enough. Subject, verb, masuk dulu adjektif, baru enough. Okay? Do you understand? Now, kemudian rumus yang kedua, penggunaan enough dengan to ini digabung dengan adjektif, dengan to infinitive. I think I have already told you about it last week. To infinitive, still remember, itu adalah kata kerja dasar. Jadi tidak dipengaruhi oleh tenses. Oke? Now, rumusnya tidak terlalu sulit. Kita pakai rumus yang di atas. Subject, verb, to, adjective plus infinitive. Kita singkat dengan INF. Sama dengan untuk enough juga begitu. Subject plus verb plus adjective plus enough plus infinitive. Ya. Jadi menjadi contohnya, patternnya kita bikin aja pattern yang di sini, kemudian kita ambil aja contohnya. Oke? Menjadi she is too smart. She is too smart to cheat. Oke? Subject, verb, to, adjective, kemudian to infinitive. Yang kedua, she is smart enough to cheat. Subject, verb, adjective, enough to infinitive. Okay guys, do you understand? Ya, tidak terlalu sulit, hanya melihatkan saja. Apa artinya she is too smart? Dia terlalu pintar. Artinya kepintarannya itu menunjukkan sesuatu yang terlalu berlebihan. Sedangkan she is smart enough menunjukkan dia positif untuk menunjukkan bahwa dia cukup pintar. Nah, kalau kita gabungkan dengan to infinitive, itu kalimatnya lebih panjang, lebih mudah dimengerti. She is too smart. Too smart to what? To do what? To cheat. Ingat, to infinitive, dia selalu dimulai dengan to. Dengan to. Itulah kemarin yang banyak bermasalah ketika mid semester. Oke? Now, kemudian enough juga bisa dipakai untuk noun. Ya, dengan rumusnya contoh, subject plus verb plus enough plus noun. We can use to infinitive too. Ya, contohnya she has enough money to buy everything. Okay guys, and they are not too difficult, and I hope you can do all of them by yourselves, because in our semester examination I will ask all about them. Okay, now I will give you some exercises and I hope you do it by yourself. You can copy it and you can send it to me. Just wait a minute because I have to turn it back. Okay, you can see these exercises. Okay, the first exercises is part 1. You use to. I already have that example. For example, we can go swimming today. It's very cold. It's 2 sentences, and I want them. You combine 2 sentences into one by using to. It's too cold to go swimming today. Okay, do you understand? We can't go swimming today. Why? It's very cold, and you have to change it. You have to combine the 2 sentences into one by using to. And part 2, use enough. For example, I can't reach the top shelf. I'm not that tall. To be, I'm not tall enough to reach the shelves. Yeah. Now, okay, the shelf. Okay. Now, the part 3, complete the sentences by using to or enough plus infinitive. Example, you know the keywords. You can see the strong, lift. I'm not strong enough to lift the refrigerator. How can you fill the blanks? You have to understand the sentence.